All right, today's lesson is a continuation of the last one where we're solving radical equations. So sometimes we get an equation where there's two radicals and they're on the same side of the equal sign. What you're going to want to do here is, since the radicands are different, you're going to want to put one radicand on the left side and the other one on the right side. So we're going to go ahead and add this whole term to both sides. And remember, when the radicand is the same, you can combine these terms. So negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So that's going to cancel out. 0 times the square root of x is 0. So we're going to bring down this term. And adding that to 0, we get the same thing. So now that we have a radical on both sides, we're going to go ahead and square both sides in order to cancel out the radical, excuse me. Okay, so the radical cancels with the square. And be careful here. When you square this, you need to square both of these. So you're squaring the 3 times 3, and the square cancels out the square root, leaving you just x. Don't forget, this is multiplication. So this is going to be multiplications, and I changed the grouping symbol to parentheses. Okay? All right. So now we're just solving an equation for x. So we're going to subtract 2x on both sides. Divide by 7. All right, don't forget to check your answer. Make sure there's no extraneous solution. So we're going to substitute 3 in for x. So everywhere you see an x, we're going to put in a 3. Okay, and now we're going to simplify this. So we're going to go ahead and start simplifying this. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 21 is 27. Okay, and to do this subtraction without a calculator, you're going to want to simplify this. So the square root of 27, remember, look for perfect square factors. So we're going to use 9 times 3. The square root of 9 is 3. And you can't take the square root of 3 without getting a decimal, so we're going to leave that the square root of 3. Okay? And since the radicands are now the same, we can go ahead and combine these, just like as if we were doing 3x minus 3x. So 3 radical 3 minus 3 radical 3 is 0, and that equals 0. So it checks out. So our answer is x equals 3. Now guys, I'm sorry I haven't been in class, but I have a personal emergency that I'm dealing with, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.